Well, we got a hell of a day ahead of us. 7, 8 years ago, we were parading 3 or 4 vehicles on a Memorial Day. Look what we're doing now. This is the most well-organized thing that I've seen. I see the ops orders, I see the organization, I see the people here, I see the people dedicated that have been here all week.
And here we are, the Ontario Regiment Museum, doing a 45 vehicle road move with tanks and armor included. It is an incredible undertaking. And we are doing something that is absolutely historic here in Canada. This year, the convoy is so massive, we are breaking up into 6 independent squadrons. There has been a squadron leader assigned to each one. Find your name, find your squadron leader.
Why did he have to be in our group? Plan for those 3 today.
First parades are like a pre-start checklist. So you check over all your systems, make sure they're sound and ready for operation. It's pretty comprehensive, but it's necessary.
We're just doing a comms check right now, making sure all our radios are working for the convoy tomorrow.
Should just push it right in.
No, it is.
Eh?
It is.
Yeah.
You can see it's just kind of old.
It's all right, as long as it makes contact.
The whole squadron concept and everything is really working well. They've got people working on their vehicles and the vehicles in their squadron. So the squadrons are pulling together and Peter's helping Paul, and really good.
I've been volunteering now, it'll be 5 years.
I love working with vehicles, and a majority of my family has been in the military service, so I need to do them some respect.
I'm one of the original members. I've been here 35 years. We started with 9 Ferret scout cars. Now here we are today moving 42 vehicles in this parade. It's amazing.
The finest automotive grease you can find. There are bearings and rods or whatever inside here. I'm not quite sure what makes them go, but you do want to make sure that they're lubricated, because if you don't, it gets overly hot and then the thing falls off and you have a road wheel pair go careening down past in front of your tank.
I'm cleaning a bit. This is my Leopard. I just want to make sure that it's been hosed down, it's been cleaned up, but I want to just make it shine that much more.
Although we are a museum, we are an accredited Canadian Armed Forces museum. And the bubblegum chewing public, when they see you in those vehicles, to them you represent the Army. So you will act in a way that is becoming of a serving person on Remembrance Day. Here is the museum, and this is the route we will be taking. Stevenson to Adelaide. Adelaide all the way across to Mary. Mary down to Richmond, and then the marshalling area at the Armory. We are rolling under police escort through all lights, through all stop signs at 30 kilometers an hour. We go as a team, we come back as a team, and we will celebrate and debrief as a team. I will see you at 0700 tomorrow morning right here. Thank you.